Kevin, it's what happened, fella? Huh? Kevin, stay right here.
Why?
Wow, look at this. Coming down from the sky. Straight into the water.
Mommy, that could make people jump.
And it's getting bigger. And the water from the... Move.
Does it make people jump? Mommy? Mommy, making people jump.
It's like a...
It's going up.
And it's going up like in a twist. Yes. That is the works of Jehovah, the power in him. Wow. This is it's like the water going up. Oh my gosh. Look at the water. Yes. The water from this the sea going up like straight into the cloud.
Greetings to the universe. As we can see, this is a home video from Trinidad and Tobago, filmed approximately 10 days prior to the 7.2 earthquake in Venezuela. That was the epicenter off of Venezuela, where the 7.2 magnitude earthquake was on the 21st of August. And here is the island of Trinidad and Tobago. So when that happened, they were in tsunami watch. This tsunami footage I got from Mr. MBB33 video. This was a mild tsunami hitting the coast of part of the island. So this video, pretty much, I've seen many of videos similar to this, where the water is being pulled up into the sky, and basically most of them transpired prior to Hurricane Irma last year, and the mystery was out. But I knew somehow or another it had something to do with helping us, because Nibiru is here to help us. And this kind of news you see only on YouTube. You don't see anything on the mainstream news, because Nibiru is who terraformed this earth and made it, possible for us to live here in harmony with nature. And man, when he was first made, he was a vegetarian until his DNA got corrupted and he decided to become a carnivore. But anyway, I was just giving a quick explanation of how, with all the earthquakes that we're having right now, hadn't this water been pulled out of Trinidad 10 days prior to this earthquake, this tsunami here would have been taller than these trees. And you could go along on YouTube and see plenty of videos on, you know, water being sucked up, and you know, now you have an answer to the mystery. You know, it had to be the crystal city back there, or Nibiru back there in this cloud, sucking this water up. You know, I spend 2 to 3 hours a day at a minimum. This is 5,000 screenshots in just 2 months. These screenshots are just from the end of the mid-June to now. So you could say approximately 2 months and a half. And I'm giving you major league truth. You know, when I look at Alaska Cam, this is what they did to the Alaska Cam. They froze it in 2010, the 16th, August 16th, 2010. And it's been doing this for like 2.5 weeks now, since the last time I showed you Alaska. But anyway, this video for me was just to thank Nibiru and the Sky Masters and the Sky Brothers. Now, you know, I know the whole reason that the water was being taken away. And you could go on YouTube and you'll see many videos where water receded. Tampa Bay, Carolina, the Keys, Thailand, Japan, Italy, you name it, South America, Brazil. They're all on YouTube. You can see them all. And now I know exactly why the water was being sucked up. It was due to these big earthquakes that we're having right now. And the 10.0 is coming. And it's gonna come. It's gonna come one day that we don't expect it to. And it's gonna go from east to west. You know, Israel bragged that, you know, they've never had any kind of earthquake. So maybe it'll come from Israel, start in Israel. And like the Bible said, it'll go from east to the west. So, all my subscribers and righteous people, like I've been telling you, Nibiru is here for our highest good. What I just said, you won't see on the 10 o'clock news. You won't see on any major Nibiru channel or weather channel or anything. Because it's a question, it's a mystery. Why did the water just recede from all over the world? And now with this home video that we saw from Trinidad, we saw the water being taken up in a water spot. And as they said in the video, the wife or the female said, this is the works of Jehovah, where the water is being sucked up. And if the water was not being transformed into another source, it would be leaking back out or springing back out as rain. But it was transformed into something else as it went up into the cloud, as the cloud is the cloak for the Crystal City or Nibiru, or one of the ships that move along with Nibiru. This is the works of Jehovah. Jehovah, Anu El, God, El Shaddai, Allah, whatever you choose to call God, Almighty God is Almighty God, you know. So, thank you for watching. The mystery's been solved. Where the water has been going for the last year, since we've been seeing the water recede from beaches and bays and oceans. May God be with us. All praises due to Almighty El.